welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and comment down below whatever you want to comment, whether you want to learn new food or you like the video and all those things. So we'll be doing paprika chicken thighs. Very simple recipe you can try at home and also share it with your loved ones if you want them to do the same thing. So this is what we are going to do. Let's start. Slice your onions by fingers, just like the way I did it. And you also need fresh potatoes, mushrooms. You can use the whole mushrooms or the sliced ones. Baby carrots or the big one if you don't have baby carrots. Salt. Rosemary. You can cut the carrot just like the way I did it. Rosemary. And you also need flour. You need butter. And you also need margarine. You need Remie seasoning to season the thighs, the chicken thighs. And also paprika, the main thing, paprika. So yeah, paprika. Olive oil. You can use the organic too, it's not bad, it's okay. You need 7 spices. 7 spices have a white pepper, black pepper, so I didn't use black pepper, white pepper, it has everything. So now I'm going to show you how I chopped my fresh potatoes. So I chopped it into 3 and I cut it in the middle, just like that. See, that perfect shape is okay. And then I'm going to show you how I season the chicken. So I actually used 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of 7 spices. I used the rosemary, and then 1 of the Remie seasoning. See, the rosemary, it's not too much. Don't put too much. Let's say 1 teaspoon is okay. And I also put olive oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It's fine, yeah. See. So I'm going to use my hand to mix it just to get the seasoning inside the chicken to season very well. I love using my hand to do this. You can use rubber if you don't want to mess yourself up. You can use rubber, put it inside the rubber, put the seasoning, close it, and just mix it. But I prefer using my hand, so I'm using my hand to do this. I'm going to use a pinch of salt, not too much, just 1 teaspoon salt, it's okay. So it's ready. So I preheat my frying pan with the margarine and then the butter, not too much. Preheat, middle heat, like that, it's okay. Then you have to turn your chicken occasionally for it not to burn but still fry to get that brown gold color we need. So yeah. So now I'm going to mash my garlic. You can see I just used 3. For me it's okay, but if you want to add more, that depends on you. If you need more garlic, that depends on you. But I just need 3, so I just use 3 garlic. Then I'll add my garlic to my fried chicken. Okay, my garlic. My onions. It smells so good. And I'll go ahead and add my fresh potatoes. Yeah. gonna add my mushrooms also. Like I said, you can use the whole mushroom. It's your choice, but I prefer using the sliced one. And you can prefer not to add mushrooms at all if you don't like. And carrots, like I said, you can use the baby carrot, or if you don't have the baby carrot, you can use the big one and chop it like the way I did. And then now we are ready to mix our food. So we are going to mix it. Yeah, we're going to mix it on there. Be careful how you mix it. See, I'm taking my time to mix it. I just love the color. Yeah, to see like that cold something color. It's nice. And it smells so good too. I think you should really try this recipe. And you have to cover your food for 10 to 15 minutes, and then after that we're going to add our flour like what I did. So add our flour, then we are going to mix it. So the flour should be like, let's say 2 tablespoons or 2.5. It's okay, you don't want to use plenty. So you mix it very well. The flour is actually to just hold it together to make it thick. Okay. And now what we'll be adding is our chicken stock. Yeah. So add our chicken stock, and then we are actually going to cover it to cook for, let's say, another 10 to 15 minutes. Just for the fresh potato to cook and the carrots and everything. It's just, this is how it looks like during the process of the 10 to 15 minutes. See? It smells so good. I think I really recommend this recipe to try at home. You understand? Just try it. Your family is gonna love it. You are going to love it. Your kids, if you have kids, your brothers, your sisters, your parents. I mean, just try it. So yeah, I'm going to just, please sorry for the mess I did around trolley. But just garnish your food, put it in the bowl, dish it on the bowl, and then you're good to go. It's ready. In just 30 minutes, you cook your delicious paprika chicken thighs. So guys, that's the finished look. That's how you do paprika chicken thighs. So simple and easy to do. So if you want to learn new recipes and you don't know how to cook them, you can just comment it down below, and I will try to do a video on it how to prepare it for you. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and share for this video down below. I'll write the ingredients in the description box for you to check it. And also to my subscribers, my fans out there, thank you, Duncan, Momo, Midawase, Shukran, and glasses. I think I tried. That's the language I do. So yeah.
Click here to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.